Hi, today I'm going to show you how to calibrate a Kenmore oven. First thing you need to do is know how far the temperature is off. You can do this with a thermometer that you know is accurate, or if you're constantly overcooking or undercooking food, then you can adjust the temperature, let's say 25 degrees up or down, depending on if your food's being overcooked or undercooked, and see if that corrects it. So anyway, on this oven, I've got it set to 350 degrees. And as you can see, the temperature inside the oven is actually 370. So we're 20 degrees too hot. So there's two main ways to calibrate a Kenmore oven. On this one, you press and hold the bake button for 5 to 8 seconds until it enters calibration mode. And since we were 20 degrees too hot, I'm going to go down 20 degrees. And then I'll push the start button to save those changes. Now, if your oven does not enter calibration mode after you hold the bake button for a few seconds, then there is a second method. And what that entails is pressing the bake button, then use the arrow keys to raise the temperature to 550 degrees, then press and hold the bake button for about 5 seconds until the oven enters calibration mode. Then you'll use the up or down arrows to adjust the temperature. And once you're done with that, you'll press either the off, cancel, or stop button, whatever's on your oven, and that'll save those changes. Okay, now that we've adjusted the temperature, let's turn this oven on bake. We'll set it back to 350 degrees, and we'll give it a few minutes, and we'll see what happens. So let's take a look. It's been about 15 minutes now, and you can see we're still set to 350 degrees, and let's check the temperature. Look at that, we are right on 350 degrees, so the calibration worked. So one of these two methods should work for you. I hope this video has been helpful to you. I really appreciate you watching. Have a great day.